Look at this simple tool-based website. This website provides you the YouTube channel earning details. For example, if you paste the channel link here and click on calculate, it provides you all the details of the channel. It provides you the total subscribers and the earning details, the YouTube channel country, and the channel starting date, and so on. So these are the details that this provides you. So we are going to create the similar one. And if you see the earning of this website, how much this website is earning, so I just paste the link of this website here because this is tools based website, and check the status of this website. This website is earning 188k and the traffic 582,000 visitors are coming here. And if you see, the 22% is from United States and others are from Pakistan and so on. So in this video we are going to create similar one, this kind of YouTube data scraping tool, which is very easy. You without coding skills you can generate or create this kind of tools based website and start earning as this website is earning. So let me get started. In this step we are going to get the YouTube API key. To get the YouTube API key, you just need to go here console.cloud.google.com, and this URL is also provided into the description. So you will get into this area. So you just need to click on agree the terms and conditions, and here you can just try this free, and here you just need to select a project. So there is no project, so you just need to click here create a new project. So I will make it new project, so I just name it YouTube API key for example, and just click on create. Your project has been created. You just need to click on here, select the project, so your project will be selected. Here you can see this project has been selected. Now after creating the project, you just need to click on this icon, and here you just need to click on API and services, and here enable API services. So you just need to click here. Here you just need to click here enable API and services, and here you just need to search for YouTube v3. Okay, so here is the YouTube data API v3. You just need to select this one and click on enable. No, this YouTube data API v3 has been enabled in our project. So you just need to click on credentials here, and in the credentials you just need to click on create credentials here, and here you just need to click on API key. Now your API key is here. You just need to copy this API key, close that, and save in anywhere in your laptop, because we are going to use this into this project. So I have saved this API key into my laptop that I am going to use later. Now come into the DeepSeek and click on new chat icon, and here you just need to paste the prompt that is provided into the description. So you can just copy the prompt, and here my YouTube v3 API key. So here you just need to place your API key. This one is mine, so you don't need to use this one. So here you can place your API key. So then this whole complete data is here. So I have completely provided the instructions in this prompt, so it will completely give us a working code that we can directly paste into our WordPress website, and it will work 100% as our requirement. So I will just click on next or enter. Now the whole code has been written for us, so we can just copy this code and paste into our website. So if you don't have a WordPress website, you can just visit this infinityfree.com, and here you can just register and get a free WordPress hosting and domain, free of course. You don't need to charge anything. So I have complete video about that, how you can get free hosting and domain and install WordPress. So you can watch this video carefully and get free WordPress hosting and domain and WordPress installed over it. So let me get back into our topic. So here, this is our dashboard of our website. So here I just click on posts and click on add a post, and here I'll say YouTube calculator or YouTube income calculator, and here you just need to select here an HTML block and paste the entire code that is provided by the DeepSeek. So I will just go back into DeepSeek here, copy this code and paste here, okay, and click on publish. So we're gonna check this, is it working or not. So I will view this post. Now we add a test YouTube channel link here, so I just paste the link of the channel and click on calculate, and you can see the estimated earning in USD. So this is the estimated earning and the sponsorship price as well as total views, channel creation date, and all-time views and all-time earning in USD. So this is how it is working. So let me check the website learners, and here I just paste the website learners, and here this is the estimated running and the sponsorship price and so on. So this tool is working 100% and 100% accurately, and it's fetching the data from the YouTube API key. So you can add more functions in that tool based on your creativity. So this is a simple tool that you can easily create by DeepSeek. So this is how you can create an amazing tool that you can use anywhere on your website, and you can start a good career in the tool based website. Now the question is how you can get traffic. I mean, I get many comments below how you can earn money and how you can get traffic on the website. First of all, when you get this kind of website, I mean this kind of tool website, you need to pay to the developer. I mean, if you want to create this kind of tools based website, at least a developer will charge $500 and $1,000. So this website is you have created free of cost, so it means you already earned $500. Now second thing, how you can get traffic by getting visitors and by the AdSense. So when you will have a tool based website, you can easily apply for the AdSense or Adstera, and then you can get monetized and your earning will be started. Now the next step is how you can get the AdSense approval. So this is very easy. You just need to write the regular posts, and the regular posts will be based on low competition keywords. So how you can get the low competition keywords, that you can write daily posts. So how you can write the posts, I have already created the video how you can write an amazing posts or blog articles based on your low competition keywords. So you can check out the link below, so you can watch this video carefully and start your blogging career and start adding articles on your tool based website. So now the question is how you can get the low competition keywords. To analyze the website, you just need to add this prompt, and it will give you the list of the keywords on which keywords you can start writing blogging. So I have already created the video how you can write a stunning AI blog. So you just need to get the keywords from this prompt you can give, and it will give you an amazing keywords list. You can see these are the keywords, and these keywords are often used in this website. So you can just copy the keyword and start writing blogs. So whenever you will start the writing, you will get an amazing results. So by writing the articles, your website will be boosted and you will be get monetized for the web AdSense or Adstera, and then you can start earning. So this is a simple process. You have everything on my YouTube channel. You can watch videos how you can write the articles, and then you will be get monetized. So this is the simple phenomena. I'm not going to in the deep. So this is the simple phenomena. You can start earning. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any issue regarding this video. If you need working code of this tool, I have provided into the description, so you can just copy the tool, change the YouTube API key, and this tool will be working on your end also. So I hope you are going to love this video, and please share my video to your social media accounts, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.